In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gemini AI app on Windows 11 and 10. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Gemini running in its own clean window, just like a native app, so you can focus without browser tabs getting in the way. First, open your preferred web browser on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This process works great in Google Chrome and also in Microsoft Edge. Go to the official Gemini website by typing its address into the address bar and pressing enter. Take a moment to make sure you're on the legitimate site before continuing. Once the page loads, sign into your account. Logging in now ensures the app remembers your settings and conversation history when it opens as a standalone window. You don't need to enter any personal details here in the video. Just use your normal sign-in method and wait until you see that you're successfully logged in. Now look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu with several sections. In Chrome, you'll see a section with items like Cast and Save and Share. Move your mouse to hover over Save and Share. When you hover there, a small submenu appears. In that submenu, click Install Page as App. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the label might look slightly different, but the option to install the site as an app will be in the same general area of the menu. A confirmation box will pop up, showing the app name and icon. This is your chance to double-check you're installing the right page. Click Install. The browser will package the site as a lightweight app and launch it in its own window, without the usual address bar or tabs. That's exactly what we want for a focused, app-like experience. After installation, Windows creates a shortcut so you can open Gemini just like any other app. Depending on your setup, you may also be prompted to allow the app to run in its own window or stay pinned for quick access. If a prompt appears, simply confirm. If you don't see the install option at first, refresh the page, make sure you're signed in on the correct URL and confirm your browser is up to date. And that's it. You went to the Gemini website, logged in, opened the three-dot menu, hovered to the Save and Share section near Cast, chose Install Page as App, and clicked Install. Enjoy using Gemini in a clean, distraction-free window on Windows 11 or Windows 10.